The electric crossover space is heating up, and Toyota is making sure it doesn't get left behind. In a bold move, Toyota is saying goodbye to the bZ4X and ushering in a new era with the 2026 Toyota bZ, a refreshed, rebranded, and seriously upgraded version of its original EV offering for North America. While the European version of the vehicle keeps the original bZ4X name, Toyota is simplifying things in the US market. The new moniker, Toyota bZ, isn't just a branding tweak, it marks a step forward in design, tech, and performance for the company's EV ambitions. Let's start with the design updates. Toyota has taken the existing hammerhead design language and sharpened it further. The 2026 bZ gets slimmer LED headlights, more aggressive bumper intakes, and redesigned 18 and 20-inch alloy wheels, giving the crossover a more upscale, sporty presence. Subtle? Yes. But impactful when seen on the road. Another key change is the option for body-colored fenders, a noticeable improvement over the black plastic cladding seen on the bZ4X. But take note, these are only available with certain paint colors, like windshield pearl, heavy metal, and black. So if you want that cleaner look, color choice will matter. Slide inside, and you'll see that Toyota has paid attention to the details. The new 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system is now standard, paired with dual wireless charging pads, and up to 64 color ambient lighting to set the perfect mood. One of the coolest new features? Paddle shifters, not for gear changes, but for adjusting regenerative braking levels. It adds a layer of interactivity and control that EV drivers will appreciate. But the biggest leap forward is under the skin. Toyota has upgraded the electric powertrain significantly. The FWD version now delivers 221 horsepower, while the AWD variant cranks out a solid 338 horsepower, up from just 215 horsepower in the outgoing bZ4X AWD model. That's a major performance bump and gives the bZ some much-needed muscle in a competitive market. Range anxiety? Not here. The bZ gets up to 314 miles of estimated range thanks to a larger 74.7 kWh lithium-ion battery. Even the base model with a 57.7 kWh pack can deliver a respectable 236 miles. That's a 25% improvement in range compared to the outgoing model. Charging is also getting easier. Toyota has embraced the North American charging standard, meaning Tesla supercharger access is now part of the package. Fast charging is brisk 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, and with the new battery preconditioning feature, you can expect even better charging efficiency in cold conditions. The 2026 Toyota bZ will be available in XLE and limited trims, with both FWD and AWD configurations, and will arrive at US dealerships in the second half of the year. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but it's expected to remain competitive with other mid-size electric crossovers like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Subaru Solterra. Currently, the bZ stands as Toyota's only fully electric offering in North America. But that's about to change. The automaker is preparing to unveil its version of the Subaru Trailseeker, a larger SUV that will help expand the bZ family into the upper tiers of the EV crossover market. In summary, the Toyota bZ may look like a renamed bZ4X at first glance, but it represents a much more refined, capable, and future-ready EV. With more power, more range, a cleaner design, and Tesla-level charging access, the 2026 bZ is proof that Toyota is finally stepping up in the electric game.